Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array max function in Spark SQL. So what is array max function and why do we use it? Let's first see the signature of array max function. So this is the signature of array max function. It is taking only one argument and that would be of a array type. So what it does, it returns the maximum value in the array. So whatever the maximum value which is present in this array max function will going to return that value. NaN is a greater than any non-NaN element for double type or float type. So how it will going to evaluate if the element is of a non-NaN element of double and float type, and how it will going to compare with NaN value. So NaN value is greater than non-NaN value and null elements are skipped. So suppose there are 10 elements which are present in this array which is of null. So during the calculation of array max, those records will be skipped. So in this exercise, what I'm going to do, I'm just creating this table. These are the attributes of the table. So there are 6 attributes of the table. When this element gets created, so with the help of this insert statement, I will insert couple of values in it. And once the value gets inserted, then I will going to write this query. What this query is doing, first I am just creating a CT. CT is nothing but a temporary table. I am using this collect list function. So what this collect list function will going to do, it will take all the value from AP salary column and convert into a array. And it is creating a column. That's why I am giving the alias of the column is salary underscore list underscore 1. Once this array type column gets created with the help of a collect list function by taking all the value of AP salary, then what I'm just doing I'm just calling this array max function and passing this column which has data in the form of array list. So what array list will going to do, it will compare all the values which is present in this array list and it will return the maximum value. And that will also going to create a column. That's why I am just giving the name of the column is AP salary in list. And from where I am just calculating this array max function, I am just calculating this array max function from this AP salary list CT which we have created here. So let's do this exercise on Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me give the notebook name as array max. Okay, so to do this exercise, we need one table which we have discussed, and we also need some columns. To create a table, we need a script which will going to create the table, and to insert some records in that table, we need some insert script. So to save time, I have already created both scripts. So this script is for creation of table. So let me copy that script. Let me paste here and run it. So what a Spark will going to do, a Spark will going to create this table. Table is being created, so it will take some time. Okay, table has been created successfully. Now we need to insert some data in this table. So I have already created couple of insert script. So let me copy this insert script and paste this command cell. Let me run it. So what Spark will going to do is Spark will going to execute each insert statement one by one. So there are 15 insert statement, and I have just restarted the cluster. So it will going to take couple of minutes. So we need to wait till each and every insert statement executes successfully. So insert statements are executing one by one. Let's wait a couple of more minutes. Okay, all insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's validate the data. We can see these are the same records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's see how array max function works. But as we discussed, what array max function will going to do, it will going to create, it will going to return the maximum value which is present in the array. But we can see in this table, none of the column is of array type, right? Or none of this column contains a value in the form of array. So let's first create a column which is of a array type. So we know there is a function known as a collect list or collect set. This both function will going to create take a column as an argument, and it will going to take all the values from that column, and it will store in the form of array. So let's create that column with the help of a collect list. Let me format this cell so that the query will be more visible. Here let me use collect set or collect list, and I'm passing this AP salary. AP salary. So what it will going to do? Collect list will going to take all the value from the AP salary column, and it will convert and store in the form of array. Let me give our alias. Let me run it. Okay, so we can see this array list is of a array type column, and the data is stored in the form of array. Now, what we are going to do? Let me just put this select statement into a city. City is nothing but it is a temporary table. So what kind of a query we generally run on a physical table, those query we can also run on this temporary table. So let me run this again. So same in this city, what we are doing, we are just creating this column which is of array type by taking all the value from AP salary with the help of a collect list function. Now let's use the array max. Okay, so array max, and array max will going to take a column which is of a array list. So this column which we have just created, it is of an array list. So what it will going to do, it will just check each and every value in this array list, and whatever the maximum value, it will going to return it, and it will going to return it in a column. So let me just rename, give me an alias of the column. Let me run it. We can see this is the maximum value which is present in this array list. Okay, so let me just select this array, this column as well. Let me format it again so that the query will be more visible. Now let me run it. We can see this is the array. In this array, this is the maximum value. In this video, what we have seen, if there is a requirement to get the maximum value from an array, so with the help of an array max function, we can able to get the maximum value which is present in an array. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.